You have challenges, NASA has innovation and research to help. Aircraft, helicopters, wind turbines, and other large-scale composite structures are often fabricated using automated fiber placement machines, or AFP. AFP machines lay down fiber strips in a customized pattern, but can easily create overlaps or gaps in the strips, significantly reducing the strength of the final product. Current methods of inspection require manual oversight, costing time, money, and other precious resources. Researchers at NASA Langley Research Center have developed a method of detecting and locating the AFP machine defects by capturing and analyzing thermographic data. The AFP machine indirectly heats the fiber strips and captures temperature data through a thermographic camera. Anywhere the thermographic data varies indicates the existence and tags the location of an overlap or a gap in the fiber placement.
This technology was designed to track flaws in real time, saving time, labor, and resources by reducing the need for manual visual inspection and expensive repairs.
NASA's Technology Transfer Program ensures innovations developed for exploration and discovery are broadly available to the public, maximizing the benefit to the nation. To learn more about how the method and means to analyze thermographic data acquired during automated fiber placement technology can help with your product development, email lark-techtransfer@mail.nasa.gov.